have with me 10 different kitchen gadgets. As you can see, they're right here on the table. And let's get started in the first one. Now some of them I don't have examples, but other ones I do. Most I don't. But this first one, you take an egg, you put this over the bowl, you crack the egg, and you put it in. This would separate the yolk from the egg white. And you only do that if you really need it. You don't do that and then mix them together again. But there's the first one. And then this right here, it's already on, but it's like this little green thing you put on top of cans so you don't cut your lip when you're drinking it. And it's like the top of some types of water bottles, and then you drink from there so you don't cut your lip. And then we have this one. This is a pasta measure. So it goes from smallest to biggest, and this smallest one usually serves about one portion or one person. It's 2 ounces. This one serves 2 portions or 2 people, and it's 4 ounces. This one is 3 portions or 3 people, 6 ounces. This one's 4 portions or people, and 8 ounces. So this one would be for making spaghetti. And then you have this one. This one, what it does is, I have an example for this one. It would slice up the apple. You can do onions, apples, potatoes, basically anything that fit in this spot right there. So you take this, you'd set it down, doesn't matter which way you do it. Probably be the flat side. You do this, and then you push down. And as you can see, they're all in there. And an easy way to get them out is there's a hole right there. So then you're able to just pour them out. And then I have another one right here. Then there's more down there. So that's to cut off some food. And then this is for frosting. What you would do is you'd untwist the cap, you'd put frosting in, you twist the cap back on, and then this could be for cakes or whatever you need to have frosting on. You use this to squish it out like that, and it has some little ridges right there. You probably can't see it, but those ridges kind of give it a little different look. And then you have these. Now, sometimes when you have corn and you put butter on it, it can get slippery and messy. So you take these, you stick it into the 2 sides of the corn. This is why they're sharp. This is why they're sharp. You'd stick it in so then you could twist it and eat it.
Okay.
And then this right here, it looks weird, but it's just in a case. This is for garlic. What this would do is you'd put the garlic in there, you'd roll it, and it opens it. So that's what this does. And then you have this. This gives you different measures of water. It can give you anywhere from 1 tablespoon to 1 teaspoon. Now I have some water right here, and I can show you. This is 1 tablespoon right there. So we made it colored so you could see it, but we have 1 tablespoon right there. And of course, if you want it to get smaller, we could do 2 teaspoons, 2 1/2 of a teaspoon, which is 12 milliliters. And then if you want it smaller, 2 teaspoons. And then it'd go 1/2 teaspoons. And then finally 1 teaspoon. So that's what this does. This is just a regular measure. Well, not regular, it gives you different measures in one thing. And then we have this egg cutter. What this egg cutter does is it's like the same thing as this. You put an egg right in there, and you can see these are kind of sharp. So you go like that, and it slices the eggs into little pieces, like this did with apples. But if you could think of anything else that could fit in here, you could do that. What we just use it for is eggs. Last but not least, we have this one. This, if you have like lettuce on a chalkboard and you don't feel like little pieces of lettuce like extra and you don't feel like picking up one by one, you could take this, it's curved like that, as rubber at the end. So you go like that to get it up on here, and then it's just a lot easier to get it up. So when you go like that, you're able to put it in the salad if it's just left over, or throw it away if you don't need it. And those were 10 kitchen gadgets. Some of them I were able to show you and others I weren't. So bye.